In this video, I'll show you how you can fix you'll need a new app to open this exe file. First step is come here and search for Microsoft Store, right click and app settings. In here press terminate, then repair and then reset. See if it works after this, otherwise you want to do the second step. Come here and search for registry editor. It's gonna look like this. In here you want to open the hkey classes root, find .exe. So let's just find it, .exe, right here. Click on it, double click on defaults, and make sure it says exe file. Then press OK, come here, edit, find, type in exe file, make sure it's only keys that's ticked, and then press find next. Now once you found this folder called exe file, you want to click on the folder, find the default here, and make sure it says application with a capital A. Press OK, and then what you want to do is you want to open up it, find shell, find open, and in here there should be one called command. Once you've done this, you want to find the command and you want to find default. You want to double click on it and you want to make sure it has this exact value data. So the 2 right here is hold down shift and press 2 on your keyboard to make them like this. So you want to make that %1 shift 2 again, space, %sign, and then the star. Now, once you've done that, you want to make sure the other one also has this one, just like that, and both should have that data. Once you've done that, you want to close it down, restart your PC, and now it should work. Now, I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.